Hey guys, BHATech Hunter here. Let's install a graphics card. Alright, let's just jump right into it. So first you're going to want to make sure your computer is completely unplugged and the power switch is turned off and all your USB devices are unplugged. Then you're going to want to lay it on its side like this and simply slide the side panel off. Now once the side panel is off, on the back you're going to have some slot blocker type of things here, and there'll be some screws, as you can see right here, that you'll have to undo. Now these, just simply, a lot of them you can just push them in and they'll pop out. Some of them screw in here into this side bracket as well. So what you're going to need for this typically is one Phillips screwdriver, and you're going to simply remove the screws on the back, giving you access and the room to slide the card in. Now, once you've gotten that back bracket off, you're going to simply, there's only one way to do this, you line it up with DVI or HDMI ports facing the backward of the case, and you simply slide it in. Now, just like with installing RAM, once you get it into the port, it may make a little clicking sound. And it's not always easy to get it in. You have to line it up pretty perfectly, and it's usually quite cramped. So now I've got it initially slotted in, and I'm going to just push. And now it's slotted in. Now you need to take the 8-pin or 6-pin, or now the 12-pin, and into these power connectors on the back, simply slot them in. They'll both click as well. Just like so. And then, as the final step, you're going to take that bracket on the back that you took out. You're going to simply put it back in now, because that'll brace the GPU and make sure that it doesn't bend over in the slot and potentially break your PCI slot, which is the last thing you want to happen, as it destroys your entire motherboard. You have to get a new one. So make sure that you put this back together and do your screws in tightly, just like that. As you can see, much more firm and locked in. Now you can simply take your case, side panel, and simply slot it back on. And just like that, you're done. Thanks for coming to BHATech today. I hope you enjoyed your simple PC tech tip, and have a good day.